Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today in this video, I'm going to guide you guys on a step-by-step tutorial on how to change password for your OnlyFans account. So, to change password for your OnlyFans account, you'll need to open your OnlyFans app by tapping on it. After you open the app, you'll see this type of interface. You'll have to click on the profile icon that is on the bottom right of your screen. Here you'll see a lot of options, but you need to click on the option that says settings. Now you'll have to click on account in order to change your password. After you scroll a bit, you'll see security. There you'll find the option that says password. You'll need to tap on it. After that, you will see an option to change your password. In order to change your password, you need to enter your current password in the first box. Type in your current password. Then you can create your new password. Remember, in order to create your new password, there should be at least one capital, one small, and at least one number in your password. Retype your password again in order to confirm. Then you can tap on the option Save. As you can see, you have successfully changed your password. If you want to check, you can click on the profile icon and log out. Then you can add your email and password. You can add the new password that you have created and press login. So just like that, you can see you have changed your password for your OnlyFans account. Thank you for staying till the very end of this video. I hope you found this video helpful. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to leave us a like and a subscribe. Have a good day.